Today we're going to show you how to lower the seats on a Lincoln. This is a 2008 MKX. And if you're in the back here in this place and you need more space, you can just push this button here and that will lower the right seat. And then you push this button down below and it will lower the left seat. And you can see with the seats lowered, you have a lot more space to haul things, and it just makes it really nice. Now, to raise the seats, all you do is just have to lift up and it'll click. Just make sure it's nice and secure. And then if you want to lower the seat from this side, you just lift up on this lever and the seat will go down. And again, just lift up. Hear it click and then it's secure. And to raise the seat on the other side, again, you just lift up. Make sure you get the seat belt out of the way and then just go ahead and close it. And then if you want to lower the seat, there's a little lever here you can pull and it will lower the seat. Another nice feature of the MKX is this middle seat. And to lower it, you just pull down on this and you got a nice cup holder just by lifting this up, and you can put your drinks here. Then to close it, you got to make sure that you close this up first and then go ahead and lift it up and make sure it snaps into place. Really nice feature. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you subscribe.